Good morning, good morning. Today is March 1st, aka drop day. You know what I'm saying? I know this video probably gonna come out a little late, but today's the day, you feel me? Oh my goodness. Today's the day, bro. If I flop, I flop. If it go crazy, it go crazy. We gotta get it out, we can get it, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be what it's gonna be, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna just record the whole day. I do gotta do a little bit more work on my video. Drop is at 12. It's currently 8:22. So, probably around 10, I start working on everything on the site, finish it up. And then, you know what I'm saying? Drop. I'm happy, you know what I'm saying? I feel like I perfectly timed this drop. And the reason I think that is because I was able to take my time, it wasn't rushed, and I got everything out the way that I wanted to do for the drop. And you just feel me? I just dropped my TikTok, you know what I'm saying? Go like it, you know what I'm saying? At papertrail.store, you know what I'm saying? Go on here, follow that. But yeah. Beautiful, beautiful. I don't know. I might go play basketball today. That's how I'm feeling. That's how I'm feeling. You know what I'm saying? I posted everything, you know what I'm saying? People messing with it, you know what I'm saying? People, you know what I'm saying? I appreciate the support, you know what I'm saying? Like, y'all some real ones. I appreciate it. Photo shoot was done by Taso.x, you know what I'm saying? So go on here, tap in with bro. If you need a photographer, dog. He fire with the cam, bro. Fire with the cam. Fire with the cam. Yeah, so I boosted a couple TikToks, you know what I'm saying? Get them out there. I might boost my Instagram post. I'm thinking about that right now. But yeah. Yeah, but that's what's going on though. So y'all gonna spend drop day with me. We're doing all this from bed as of right now because I already put in the work in the past days. So I literally been chilling in the bed, just low-key working. I ain't even gonna lie. Okay, that's cool, that's cool, that's cool, that's cool, that's cool. Yeah, though, so 12 p.m. man, 12 past morning. That's what I call p.m., 12 past morning. That's it. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Stay tuned, you know what I'm saying? Y'all rock out, see how it is. Go. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. Alright, y'all boys. I'll catch y'all in a minute when I get up work on the computer, so. Don't ask all this shit like, bro. It's cracking in the middle, bro. This ain't irritating. Alright, y'all. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm still laying in the bed playing the game. So right now, I'm currently giving everybody early access, you know what I'm saying? I know you already, it's already past the day, but go ahead and tap in with me, man. I'm pretty sure I got a few more left. But yeah, so it's currently 11:40. I just got done editing the site. I did some shaboing. It's looking pretty good, man. It's looking pretty good. You know what I'm saying? Don't mind the computer, bro. But you know what I'm saying? Whiz bams, you know what I'm saying? New shirt, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Restock. You feel me? And I had this little shaboing. Read, bro. Read. Fire, bro. So yeah, man. Go ahead. stock, but you know what I'm saying. So go ahead, get up in there, get you one. We already got an XL and XXL. Let's gotta let me get out of here. But yeah, so I just did that. I just dropped early access, and now we wait buckle. My TikTok is doing kind of good. I seen a couple notifications, you know what I'm saying? Last time I checked, I was at 60 likes, you know what I'm saying? Like 500 views, but I think it's doing pretty good. So yeah, man. Ooh, hold on, let me. What 47 likes is fire, bro. And I got 66.
Stumbled on the 3-piece, and I finished with the butler floater. Niggas treated me like I was laying lays on niggas' shoulders. Niggas treated me like I ain't used to hands to help them blow up. Fuck the talking, where's the proof? The conscious pull up talking, get a slug of plug through your koofy. Dolly off of X, screw stepping like you dance with Snoopy. Murder on your mind, do the right thing like your friends in the movie. I'd rather go see O and Juvie. I'd rather drink an onion smoothie. I ain't never conducted a liquor business.
Yeah, that was kind of crazy. I ain't expecting you going for that long. But yeah, so early access just dropped. I'm gonna tune back in with y'all, you know what I'm saying, when it hit 12. I'm gonna try to. I'm gonna be playing the game. I ain't even gonna lie, because that's how I calm down, bro. That's how I'm calming myself, bro. Just acting like you don't exist, like it's a normal day. And just playing the game, bro. If we get no orders today, we get no orders today. Wake up, try again tomorrow, you know what I'm saying? Drop some more TikToks. Do what we do, bro. Keep going, dog. Like, I'm gonna show y'all. I ain't gonna say. I'm showing a side that people probably don't like to see about having clothing brand. No, not every drop is gonna be a banger, you know what I'm saying? And I might cut up, I might sell out. But if you don't, it's okay, bro. You push yourself off. Dust yourself off, you can go do it again, bro. Just cause I ain't worked one time don't mean that ain't gonna work the next. Keep going, bro. Like, if I don't get no sales today, I'm gonna let y'all know I ain't getting no sales today. If I get one sale today, I'm happy, bro. I'm gonna let y'all know I got one sale, you know what I'm saying? Just keep pushing regardless of what you know what I'm saying? Keep pushing no matter what, bro. If you really want to do something, put your mind to it. Keep going. If you feel like you failed or whatnot, yeah, you did. That's how you learn. You keep failing until you win, bro. You can't win without failing, bro. That's the number one rule. You cannot win without failing. That's unrealistic. So you know what I'm saying? Hey man, we here though. We here, you know what I'm saying? I'm getting better and better. So yeah, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna tune back in with y'all in a little bit. Yo, YouTube, it's currently 5 o'clock. I forgot to record. I've been mostly chilling. I only got one order so far. Let me turn my light on. Only got one order so far. You know what I'm saying? First drop day. So it's something. I'm still happy. But this is my first time eating apple without my breath. And it's fun. I'm not even gonna get it's fun. I don't know what it is. Yeah, sound about right. I be biting too deep. Bro, that's fire, bro. Damn. I used to always cut up my apples. Oh. Yeah. I'm about to go play the game. That's the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, forget to like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see y'all boys in the next video. Alright, y'all. It's currently 10 o'clock. We got 4 orders today. So, you know what I'm saying? After I stopped recording, I started getting orders. That's kind of crazy, but you know what I'm saying? That's all good, right, guys? Now you want to be bougie. Alright, oh yeah, that's in this video. I'll see you.